Today's video starts on page 34, but actually I would like you to do page 33 as the problem of the day. So you need to turn your paper over, go to page 33, do number 2, A and B, 3, 33, 34, and 35. So do those 6 problems on your own. We'll go over those in class first thing tomorrow. So real world problems, rates, and unit rates. This is in chapter 5 of the 6th grade text, rates and unit rates. So chapter 5 in the 6th grade text. If you need some extra practice or if you want to follow along in the book, you can open the online textbook. So a machine can pack 70 boxes of spaghetti in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many boxes of spaghetti can it pack in 8 minutes? The machine can pack the same number of boxes every minute, so 70 boxes in 5 minutes means that if I divide by 5, I would get 14 boxes in 1 minute. So to scale up with that, what would 8 minutes be? So if it's 14 boxes in one of those minutes, 8 times the 14, which is silly to kind of write that all in there, just do 8 times 14, and you would get in 8 minutes, it could do 112 boxes of spaghetti. Number 1, a unicycle makes 196 revolutions in 7 minutes. So at this rate, how many revolutions does the unicycle make in 15 minutes? So we would take 196 and divide it by 7, 28 revolutions per 1 minute, RPM, revolutions per minute. And that would be for 1 minute. So how much would it be in 15 minutes? Just multiply that 28 times 15, and we would get 420 revolutions in 15 minutes. Megan babysits for 5 hours and earns $60. At this rate, how much will Megan earn if she babysits for 14 hours? So $60 divided by that 5 would give you $12 per 1 hour. That's her rate. So at that rate, what would $12 times 14 be? That would be $168. So Megan, how much would she earn? Megan would earn $168 for 14 hours. On to the next page. Reading a table to find the information to solve a multi-step rate problem. The table shows the fees at a parking lot. The first hour is free. The second hour you pay $1.75. After the second hour, you pay $2.50 per hour after that second hour. So Ben parked his car from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the same day. How much did he pay? Well, it's a total of 5 hours from 9 to 2. The parking fee for the first hour is $0. For the second hour, it's $1.75. So that's 2 of the hours, which means we have 3 hours left at $2.50, which is $7.50. So hour 1 plus hour 2 plus the hours 3 through 5, you get a total of $9.25 for parking. The table shows the charges for renting a bicycle. The first hour is $3. Tom rented a bicycle from 10 to 2. Well, from 10 to 2, that's 4 hours. So the first hour, he would pay $3. For every additional half hour, he's paying $2.50. So if I double this, that's a whole hour, right? Which means I would double this, would give me $5. So the first hour is $3. The second, third, and the fourth hour, that's 3 hours altogether, is $5 for each of those, right? So 3 times 5 would give me 15. So the first hour is $3, and the next 3 hours would be $15. So our friend Tom would be paying $18 for the total cost of renting the bicycle. So the answer is $18. Solving a multi-step problem involving comparisons of unit rates. Andy needs new batteries for his video game controller. He is trying to decide between two brands. A package of 2 brand A batteries costs $3.20. The manufacturer claims the batteries will last for 20 hours. A package of 2 brand B batteries costs $2.80. The manufacturer claims that those batteries will last for 14 hours. Which battery should Andy buy? Explain why you think so. First we would want to find the number of hours battery time Andy will get per dollar. So brand A was $3.20 for 20 hours. So for 1 hour, it would cost him 20 hours divided by that $3.20 would be $6.25 per hour. 6.25 cents per hour. Yes, Andy will get 6.25 hours of battery time per every dollar. For $1, he's going to get 6.25 hours of battery time. Brand B, taking my hours and dividing it by my money, Andy will get 5 hours of battery time per dollar. Well, wouldn't you want to get battery A then if you're going to get 6.25 compared to 5? So with brand A, Andy gets 6.25 hours per dollar. With brand B, he only gets 5 because 6.25 is more than 5. He should definitely buy brand A. Brand A has more hours per dollar that you're paying. So Chloe scored 87 points in 5 basketball games. Fiona scored 45 points in 2 basketball games. Which of the 2 players scored more points per game? Points per game. So I'm going to take my points of 87. This is Chloe. And she did that in 5 games. So that's an average of about 17 4/10 points per game, right? And Fiona, 45 points in 2 basketball games. That's approximately 22.5 points per game. Even though she only played 2 of them, Fiona has a better average, right? Which of the 2 players scored more points per game? Fiona did. Fiona scored more points per game. She scored 22.5 compared to Chloe's 17 4/10. And that's it for today.